Hi everyone. So in this lecture, we'll be seeing the possible options of setting up a private blockchain, right? Everybody might be thinking, okay, I understood the blockchain. Can I set up my own? Can I do some experiments? Can I, set up my own sandbox and do the experiments into that? Yes, it is possible. So let's check out how we can do it. So yeah, there are many ways to set up your own private blockchain. The private blockchain will be fully owned by you, right? Initially, of course, once you launch it, there has to be at least two nodes. You can't just have a one node and call it a blockchain. There has to be at least two nodes, but preferably try to set up three nodes into the blockchain, right? And you'll be completely responsible for the security of your blockchain. No one will be responsible because in the public blockchain there are multiple people, contributing to the code, and everything is being managed properly. And then and also you have to take care of your own miners, right? You can actually enable one node to become a miner, another to become just a node. That is possible, but you have to set up your own miners and make sure that blockchain is being built on the top of whatever existing nodes has, and it is keep increasing the number of blocks into the blockchain. That's very important. So yes, first and the best option you have is the multi-chain. It's the most easy way to set up a private blockchain. I'm going to show you how to do it in the new course which I'm going to launch in a very few days, right? And it is a open source and founded by Mr. Gideon Greenspan, right? So uh, records keeper is the official partner of multi-chain. So if you want to discuss your use case or the POC based on the multi-chain based platform, please let us know. And you can drop me an email on toshin@recordskeeper.co. I'll be happy to assist you. So this is the very strong and the mature option right now we have in the market. The next option is the open chain. It is again the open source distributed ledger technology. It is suited for the organization wishing to issue and manage the digital asset in a robust, secure, and scalable way. Anyone can spin up a new open chain instance within a seconds, right? Within few seconds, you can administrator can of a blockchain instance, right, defines the rules of the ledger, what should be done. The algorithm consensus algorithms consensus. Beyond the consensus, there are some mining rules, right, and other rules that can be set up, right? End users can exchange value on the ledger according to those rules. So once you set up the rules, the user has to follow those rules, or the whoever the user of the blockchain. Every transaction on the ledger is digitally signed, like with bitcoins. So of course that is obvious case because it has to be digitally signed by the private key or public key, or in some other methods that is possible in the open chain. The next is the Ethereum. So if you want to set up your own private blockchain using Ethereum, it is possible using Geth, right? And also you can just set a test net and then shoot out your own private servers and work in the private blockchain, right? Of course, exactly how to do it is outside the scope of this course, but I would like to work on a new course on Ethereum private blockchain. But if the time allows, I'll try. Definitely try. The things that dictate the private Ethereum chains are, custom Genesis file, custom data direct directory, custom network ID, and disable node discovery. So based on the security and model and everything, you can decide how you want to implement your own private blockchain. And the fourth option we have is the Bitcoin core. So you can, fork or extend the repository of the Bitcoin core, which is public. You can go to the GitHub and check out the Bitcoin repository, and you can use that if you want, right? And but it will be very complex and difficult to launch. I would rather suggest to use any open source technology to launch the Bitcoin core. So these are the most common four options. If you have any questions, please ask. Thank you for your time.